Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create AI music videos for free using AI music generator. So if you need background music for YouTube videos, shorts, or other projects, just follow along. First, you'll need an AI music app. One popular option is Suno AI, which can create complete songs and background tracks from text prompts. And another option is Udio AI, which can generate custom music with different styles and moods. So first, open the AI music tool and describe the type of music you want. For example, you can request cinematic background music, relaxing music, dreamy music, or energetic intro track. The AI will generate a custom song based on your description. After that, listen to the different version and choose the track that fits your video. You can also adjust the style, mood, and length depending on your content. And once finished, download the music and add it to your video editor. So that was how to create AI music videos for free. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.